Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the purpose, why this matters to your viewer and what one action they should take. Once you have that, sketch 3-5 scenes and assign a primary shot for each. Make sure to choose resolution and aspect ratio, 1080p, 16:9 or 4K if needed, so framing is consistent. Gather essentials: microphone, lights, and a rough shot list. This immediate prep prevents wasted time on set and sets a clear path for efficient filming right away. Now you move into execution. Film each scene with purpose, starting wide then moving to medium and close for coverage. Once done with primary takes, capture clean room tone and ambient audio so edits sound natural. Use a lavalier or shotgun mic for clear dialogue. Make sure to record B-roll, cutaways, motion shots, and a few slow-motion 1/2 speed clips to mask edits and add visual interest. Vary pacing between concise statements and short pauses to keep attention. You finish by constructing a coherent rough cut, trimming to keep clarity and momentum. Shorter is often stronger. Then add visuals. Lower thirds for names, pacing music at about -18 dB so speech remains dominant, and a subtle color grade for consistency. Once exported H. 264:16:9, watch full playback. If audio is out of sync, remove and relink waveform. If there's background hum, apply a notch filter. If pacing drags, tighten B-roll and shorten pauses to regain engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.